Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, this is what happens.
What are you talking about?
I'm recording.
Okay, but what?
Oh, 20 minutes to the truck here.
I just said, did they send you a text?
Yes.
Okay, so why did you say no?
I wasn't listening. I was.
Of course, you was not listening.
Man, shut up. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe. You know, you hate when I say that.
Because why would you tell me to shut up?
All you gotta say is, I don't shut up, I throw up, nigga. Lame, right? That's lame. Your ass looks scared.
No, you looked really scared.
Hell yeah. Damn, we could have got him to change it for $5.
Right. Can you just wait for the people to get here? I'm not sure why you want random to be. So if they fuck up your floorboard, then what? Because that has definitely happened to me before.
Oh, word. Here.
This is how my day's going, y'all. Ew, what the? Oh, Lord. Lord. He came. We called roadside assistance because the tire freaking blew out. Y'all want to see this tire? I always thought taking a picture up here would be cool. Really? That's why I got you on camera littering. I've been told you to change your damn.
Oh, man.
Just listen to Crystal.
Nah.
Listen to Crystal.
She's annoying to listen to you. Very annoying.
Oh, but I'm always right.
You wasn't so bossy with me, so annoying.
Well, Shabri, God put me in your life to help you out. Yeah, alright. Stop playing. So, let me tell y'all about this chick right here. So, the freaking car made a noise. The car told us, hey, you need air in your tire, 25 psi or whatever. And this mug, like, we both looked at it. It was like, oh, that's kind of cool. I'm glad the car tells you that. All right, so then what, couple more miles we go?
You want to go to Starbucks?
Yeah, that's true. You know? I did want to go to Starbucks. So we on our way to Starbucks and we hear this noise.
We went to Starbucks.
Shabri, I'm over it at this point.
I want some Starbucks.
No, I'm over it.
I'm still going.
No, we need to go to this tire place to get the tire looked at in your rim.
It's obviously fine. You just put a...
He took the whole rim off. The rim is on a tire. I mean, shit, the tire's basically off the rim.
It better not be jacked up because I told you not to drive on it.
Well, I drove on mine before.
That's and you don't even have the car no more.
It ain't because of my fault, because someone hit me. But what I'm trying to tell you is that my car was just fine. The rim was just fine.
Okay.
I do want some coffee though.
Yeah. I need a lot of shit right now because I'm aggravated.
Oh, no, we need to go home first. Not to the tire place. We gotta check on Anissa. I mean, what time do they close?
About 7.
So anyway, back to the story. Saw the tire was low or whatever, got the alert or whatever, decided to say whatever. She was just like, oh, well, let's go. I said, oh, before we go home, I want to go to Starbucks. We on the way to Starbucks and we hear this noise and we stop, pull over in a damn car.
sorry.
The damn car, the freaking tire was all the way off, y'all. All the way off the rim. Like,
yeah.
Well, actually, no. It was kind of on the rim still, and then we drove a little bit, and then it started sounding like crazy. I've never heard that sound before.
Ain't no we drove a little bit. She decides to drive. Oh, let me drive. Like, if she get in the driver's seat, we just gonna start.
Because you was going 1 mile an hour. That's not how, you can't do that on the highway.
Because number one, you shouldn't be driving.
First of all, we made a collective decision together.
My ass. It was you being bossy. You want to run shit. So you know what? I say, okay, go ahead and drive, Crystal.
So then you made a decision and say, go ahead.
Yeah, because I didn't want to argue with you.
Well, we both said yeah, and we drove, and then it got really bad. So we had to pull over. Luckily, it was under an overpass. It was a real easy place to talk about, and then she got all nervous and whatever, so I had to take over as usual.
And look what we ended up on side the goddamn road under the underpass. That's what we ended up.
Whatever.
We could have stayed right there at Starbucks, like I said.
We wasn't even at Starbucks yet.
Starbucks is right across the street.
Whatever, like I said, it wasn't at Starbucks yet.
Listening to you.
Well, I can say shout out to State Farm. Although they started off stupid and slow, all I had to do was talk to them real quick, and then they got it straightened out. And then the man came within 10 minutes.
Yeah, it was definitely within 10 minutes.
Probably like 7 minutes.
Yeah.
He showed up. Now, granted, he had a baby in the back seat. You see the baby in the car seat?
It's because he's on call. I mean, you know, you busy at home.
I mean, it's cool.
Yeah.
I wasn't mad or whatever, yeah, the baby was back there.
He working.
Hey, that's what's up. I mean, he got a job. He's being legal. I mean, he was fast. He was good, obviously. I mean, I'm not hating, but it did catch me by surprise. We were both looking for a truck, like a person in like uniform, and then this dreadhead pulled up in a wife beater, and we're just like, well, I was just like, what? I was so confused. You wasn't confused?
Nah.
Well, you must be used to it. I wasn't.
Yeah, man, I done had a nigga, man, it was one time, I think it was your tire had went flat at the house. Dude pulled up, car smoked out. Had a blunt in his mouth.
What?
He was like, you need me to change your tire? I'm gonna stay for. I was like, shit. Hell yeah, matter of fact, let me hit that blunt too. Nah, that's a true story though. I didn't smoke his weed though, but yeah, that's a true story. That's a true story.
You done work on my car, huh?
Yeah, he changed the tire. What you mean? For free. You didn't have to pay for nothing.
What do you mean? It's roadside assistance.
Exactly.
You paying for it every month.
You didn't pay for nothing.
Oh, because I use yours.
Yeah.
Oh, well, clearly I'm paying for it. Now, aren't I?
Hell.
How?
I mean, you can pay for it tonight.
Lame.
So, yeah. I finally got my channel. You know what I'm saying? What y'all been waiting on.
Can you stop that voice?
Okay. Yeah.
Just do your regular voice.
Okay. So, it's Breezy.
You gonna think something wrong with you.
Why you say that? Hey, I'm just a happy person when I want to be. When I want to be mad, I'm mad. When I'm sad, I'm sad.
What?
Period.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about? Should I spit a flow?
Hey, this is a 4-way. Yeah.
So listen, I finally got my channel. Y'all stay tuned.
Shabri,
I'm watching.
drive. Look straight.
Oh my God.
I don't care.
Like I was saying, I finally got my channel. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep y'all up on some real shit. You know what I'm saying? My fellow studs. And you films. And you straight women. And you niggas. You men. Alright. Yeah. I fuck with the men. I fuck with the women. I fuck with everybody. I love all God's children. Stay tuned. Yeah. Breezy. Oh, so right. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. I don't fuck with that Facebook shit. Get you in trouble. Yeah. One love.
That is so lame.
That's why I got.
Yeah. Hold on.
I'm doing the most with these glasses.
Denim blue?
Denim. It's denim. I like it. What shoes are you
Do
on?
you think this looks gray?
No, it's not gray. And he says denim. It's like a cloth denim. Are these glasses too much?
I bought these from, look, I thrifted these.
All three?
Yeah. $10.
In Atlanta you did?
Yeah, that's the tag on it. Yeah, and so we're gonna find places to put them in the house. I put that little clock. I just did this.
We gotta do a house tour tomorrow. No, we don't need to put everybody in your business. I need a melt thing like that. So pretty. Hey, I'm ready to go. Look how little you look in your house. You do a cartwheel. Not right now. I don't know about these. On camera, it looks like too much, but in person, it doesn't.
No, in person, it looks like you're a star.
These glasses are forever 21.
Well, very 21 for pockets.
Alright, are my pants see-through? Lisa said they're not. I feel like I'm doing too much. Let's just assess the situation. So, we're going to a hood spot, and I'm in Atlanta. And I put these glasses on only because I felt like they added a layer, like an element, like something to my look. And then I put them on, and I feel like that just does it, right? And then I have on these shoes and this jacket, like real chill, bro. What did I do? You want me to take a what? I already took a drink, 2. So we're like at the little hole in the wall, and I'm not just saying that, guys. Look.
Are you on?
Yeah, I'm on. But it's cool because I thrive here because I'm super friendly and I'm having fun. Some girls was already talking shit about me though, and I don't understand because I'm so nice.
Watch for my wrist, another 30,000 in my beard. Baby mama shit me about a bitch. I'm just trying to take care of a kid. I've been in the trenches getting rich. I don't know that way, that's my dog show. That's my dog. That's my dog show. That's my dog. Yeah, my dog.
It was authentic as hell. It was like real regular. He was like, hey, that contour though.
You didn't even know about that. You heard that on TV. Yeah.
Can I get that? Can I get some? No.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know what you think.
Alright, so let me tell you guys something real quick. Let me just. I only got a 10, bro. You don't need a cigarette, Selena.
I'll just build up all this energy and I'm losing everything else.
Alright, so let me talk about this night real quick. So we are out here, right? We're at this club or whatever. There's some craziness going on. Like, look at this over here. Look at this. Oh, I can't even get her, yo. She got on some Air Force Ones and a bodysuit, bro. I want my friend to go to an after hours, but she never goes to an after hours with me. She always wants to go home. And it's like, we leave the house late, like 11:30, 12 o'clock. And then we drink at like 12:30, 12:45. And now it's 3 o'clock and I'm just now feeling it. Yeah. All I'm trying to say here, guys, is that when I decide to go out, I don't care if I'm dressed up or not. I just be wanting to like have fun. Okay? Like having fun is like a commitment, okay? And I've committed to having fun. So now I want to go and have one more drink, which is super overpriced at the after hours. And then I want to flirt with someone who has no chance in hell. And then I want to eat some Waffle House and have my coffee and go to bed. You got $1?
What?
$1.
No, it's not necessary. It's fine.
It's not, never mind, man. Okay, you know, give it to me. Yeah, give it to me. I'll be right back. So, I just had a want for something and I keep trying to talk myself out of it, y'all, but it's going down. At the mall, I want my little cheesecake bites. But I might wait for that. But you all know I always wear the same little bag. Even though I got big bags, I wear the same little bag because I don't know, I'm just practical nowadays. I just be wanting something small that I can just throw in my bag and go. But this bag isn't an actual purse. It's a bag that came on a little book bag that I had. So needless to say, she has had it. So what I'm going to do today is actually get a whole new purse. Like, I'm so excited. Ugh, I just hope they have it in stock because they are discontinuing it, I believe.
This is Vanessa. Tell the people what you do, who you are.
You know, I ain't doing too much, you know what I'm saying? I just represent the brand. Bentley, Maserati, Aston Martin.
Oh, so I need to come shop with you. I'm about to manifest this right now. My new car I'm buying from you.
Yeah, here you go one right here. You know what I'm saying? Take a sneak peek. That's that new Bentley.
Oh, they got that Bentley truck. Oh, snap. Oh, that is nice.
You know what, believe it or not, I just came out here to Neiman Marcus just looking and just wanted to meet somebody.
I just said, you know what, let me just stop by and see where we're positioned at, see if we got some good real estate out here at South Park Mall, and looks to be some good real estate out here, you know what I'm saying? We're right here by St. John, we got Burberry here to the left, we got
the Louis
V,
store, so I'm about to go right now, trying to cop me a new bag.
And over in the corner over there, we got that Neiman Marcus, so we're in a good position, you know what I'm saying? So,
there you have it.
Crystal.
Hey.
It's been a minute since I've seen
it. It has. Vanessa, you look the same, bro. You haven't even. You have like 20%. No, I think we get like 40% off.
You know what? I'm gonna go back in and sweet talk her. You can take her a meal. I'm gonna get you hers.
Okay.
Tell you, babe, like I ain't gonna talk about it because you court, but you get exit. You gotta go.
Huh? You say what, babe?
I ain't gonna talk about that.
You have the Felice and Damier.
We have another small bag.